Hi Nevadans, Jannelle here. Ahead of 420, I interviewed UNLV neuroscientist and psychology professor Dustin Hines, whose research focuses on understanding how psychedelics such as magic mushrooms and psychoactives such as marijuana can help depression, anxiety, and seizures, just to name a few. In this exclusive interview, we're talking about the untapped potential of medicinal plants, yes, that includes cannabis, and how the perception of its usage has changed since being legalized in Nevada in 2017.
So right now, one of the main focuses of the lab is some CBD molecules that we've now made synthetically and made longer to help with seizures. And then a big push in the lab right now is looking at psychedelics. So you could say there's a plant tie in our lab, and there kind of is. But there's also a tie in our lab that says, look, people have been using compounds for 10,000 years that we know that work. Let's tap into this. And so the analogy I use is I think the plants are great. But for millennia, we chewed willow bark. And in willow bark, we knew that we got some pain relief. And so in that willow bark, we found aspirin. And my point isn't even that from these plants, we can discover, aspirin. I think the plants do a good job at what they do. But from aspirin came ibuprofen, acetaminophen, naproxen, all of these other drugs. So we're really excited in the lab to kind of look at what other cultures, past and present, have figured out from these plants and see if there's other molecules and other ways to understand the brain.
Want the full story? Subscribe to our newsletter to receive a 420 special edition going out this Friday, April 18, as well as weekly sends on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.